ishe maharap ka. Kalbigega o kalbigaga. I wanna give you wakwalba, wakwalba, wakwalba.
Wakwalba? So I'll be speaking to my husband in Somali for the whole day, and this guy Isibio.
Awe kaga. Wakula de loya.
Kaburiga.
So bakula. Are you allergic to fresh air? Give me 30 minutes.
Soba. Hey guys, the sun came out and we're just going to play a little Somali quiz game. How do you say these fruits in Somali? We're going to do it very fast. I can't even lift it. Oh, how do you say pineapple in Somali?
Ananas.
Yes, you got it right. Okay, we're going to go into the next one. How we do know hand to the lot of fruit of Somali. Okay, how do you say mango in Somali?
Ambo.
Yes, you got it right. Okay, one more. How do you say tomato in Somali?
Ananas.
Ah, ananas.
How do you say nyanyo?
Nyanyo. Nyanyo kula.
How do you say orange?
Why does it look like this?
It looks like that.
It's so bruised up. Lin ma'an.
Lin ma'an. How do you say avocado?
Avocado.
Avocado.
That's how my mom says it.
Allah! Ma'anto! Shukri! Ma'ante! What are you doing?
What do you do? What are you bringing the water here for?
The water spilled. I caught it on the way down. What are you doing? You're recording TikTok videos?
Han, Kale. Kale.
Yeah.
Look. Kenapa Maria?
Allah!
What happened? Mahal.
Ma'anto.
Maha.
Wallahi, apsi waye.
What's upset? Me?
Ha.
Ani?
Ha.
Ani?
My. Ma'anto, kale.
Ani?
Firi. Maska apsi waye.
Oh, I am making Chinese tea
Shukri.
as well.
Ma'ane. Malabe.
Nikama.
Shaisi.
Chinese tea? That's what I'm making.
Chinese tea kulaha. Sha hel ano sukor. Hey.
I'm making Chinese tea.
No. Dabka kukari.
Dafka.
Hey.
I'm making it in the kettle. Come do this. Come feed.
Yeah.
Feed it.
Aniga,
Oh,
Somali wakam. Boroshonek sanabayo.
like you're still learning.
Lakin mission anakhukumo.